Hey, good morning, folks. Darren from DNA Auto Sales. I wanted to introduce you to a newer member of our team. His name is Bruce. He's my brother-in-law, Lori's brother. Um, he doesn't like to be on camera. He doesn't like to talk, but he's an integral part of what we have going on here with our new shop. So I want to kind of do a quick rundown on a couple vans and show you what he's doing, and give you the scoop on him. He's kind of like one of those bears at the zoo. You can't really see him. He's like, all of a sudden he'll pop out and then he goes back in and stuff. So he's a little shy. But let's take a walk through the shop a second here, and I'll show you what we're talking about. So, we get these vans in, and some of them need tons of work. Some of them just need a couple feet on the bottom. That's not Bruce, by the way. That's Gideon. Gideon is fixing the crapper tube on this road trek we just got in. But the guys go through them, make sure stuff's working on them. Give them a good spruce up. Sometimes we get vans in that need more work, like this one needed a paint job, but the interior is all there. It's all solid. It looks nice, so we got to go through this one, put some stuff away and clean it up, just give it a spruce up. And then sometimes we get stuff in that needs a complete interior renovation. Here's a Coachman 170 Ford. These are some pieces that were removed from it, like just about everything. Just started on this one yesterday, doing a good job getting it tore apart. So this one needs a complete interior renovation. There's Bruce. There he is. See what I'm saying? You just never know. You can't get him on camera. Hey, Bruce.
Hey.
So this is Bruce, my brother-in-law. He's the one that's doing these big projects for us. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we put him to work, and he's working for us part-time, 4 days a week, and whenever works out in his schedule. And I just want to show you some of the stuff that he's doing. So this is the river van. He got this one done, him and Gideon. This one was a complete interior renovation. Getting some paint work done on it now, but so all new wood in here, knocked out these walls, all new cushions. But he is an awesome handy craftsman, has worked with wood all his life, done construction, all new flooring. Gideon did the river, but they kind of tag team this, all new paint, all new stuff. He also did our orange van. I'm going to walk back to that one in a minute. That one's put out back. So we got our guys here that, do all the normal stuff, and they work good tag teaming together, rebuilding the door for the road track. So the other one that they did is the orange pop top. Still waiting on some mechanical work on this one, but you've probably seen this one in previous videos. But this one was a complete redo, all new wood on the inside, new carpet, new door panels, all new curtains. Actually, Bruce's wife Carrie did all the curtains. Check out the peace sign. Our upholsterer did the seats. Gideon did the awesome table. So, some of them need to be spruced up, but some of them need to be bruised up. Bruised up. See what I did there? So, just super fortunate to have Bruce here working with us. Does an awesome job. I'll be able to buy some cool little restoration vans and know that if it needs complete restoration on the inside, I've got Bruce and the guys to do it with. So, just wanted to kind of introduce them, let them know what's going on. So, thanks for watching. See ya. Look, there he goes again. There he goes again. See? See? We'll leave him alone. We do feed him, though. Yeah, we do feed him.